Welcome to the Cast Iron Babe. I'm Julianne and I am so glad that you are here because today we are going to talk about something that is going to simplify your life. You're going to save money and you're going to save time and you're going to emulate some powerful life skills that your kids are going to learn. Here our mission is feed the people, nourish yourself, bringing people together around the common love of food and family. I'm going to take you behind the scenes on one of my food prep days and I can't wait, so I'll see you in a minute. So it all begins by setting the environment in anything and bringing fun and playfulness into it. So first you want to start with getting the right music to set the tone. Then you want the lights bright so that you can see what you're doing. And then you want to bring that playful attitude of fun along because it's all about dancing in the kitchen. All right, so I've got my ingredients for the week laid out, things that I can prep in advance. Right now what I'm doing is I am getting this pepper. I'm gonna do some spears, and then I'm also, that's gonna just be for snacking purposes because Joe likes to have vegetables when he gets home from work. And then I'm also gonna be cubing some of it because that's gonna be going into a soup. Great, there we go. So we're gonna finish that up. For my tomatoes, I'm going to be using some of these in salsa. So I'm gonna be, just cubing them. And honestly, it's just like really, really rough cubes. And then I'm also going to be slicing some tomatoes for sandwiches. We have a gentleman who brings his truck full of fruits and vegetables once a week, and Roberto brought this beautiful, oh my goodness, and it smells so good. Brought this beautiful cantaloupe, and so I'm going to do some slicing and I'm going to do some cubing. First I slice it in half and I just scoop all the seeds out, throw them right in the trash or compost, whatever you use. Oh, it's actually sounds good. I don't know if that's possible, but it does. Does it sound good? In the comments, why don't you share some of the things that you do for your food prep days or things that you do to create an environment that is more organized around your house, or that is a hack for getting something done much quicker. Get creative, bring your kids, bring the kids into it and get super creative with the kids. They come up with some of the best solutions. So, set them up with their own age-appropriate station and incorporate them in the process of the food prep day. They will be much more creative and adventurous in their choices of food. And they will learn important life skills and you won't have to do everything around the house. Isn't that nice? So part of this celery we're going to be using for our soups this week, okay? Now just so you understand, I'm not a professional chef here, so I'm just learning along with all of you. And the other thing that I just really wanted to mention this is, I was doing a lot of research for this show and I recognized so many of the shows out there really was all about perfection and having everything has to match and everything has to be perfect, and you can either only use glass containers or certain kinds of containers. And so I say use what you have and bring your family into it and just keep it really simple for yourself. No need to overcomplicate things. All right, and now I have this incredible papaya that I got this last week. And I've never cut a papaya, so the gentleman taught me how to do it, and so we're gonna kind of be learning together. And you know, even though it looks like it's got some uglies on the outside, that's okay. I can tell you this smells unbelievable. Looks like we're doing okay with this. So what do you guys try that's new and fun? You know, how do you bring adventure into your appetites and the food that you eat in your house? It's like a pleasure in a bite. Juicy and sweet and a little bit of tart and just the perfect ripe. So once everything has been prepped, I like to use clear storage containers so I can see what I have out of sight, out of mind in the refrigerator for sure. And I really love how doing this in advance makes meal prep so much quicker at night, because we're able to just, like, if we want a fruit salad, we can just throw together a fruit salad. Okay, and then some of this I'm gonna be using in a soup, some is gonna just be for snacking. So I just like to keep like ingredients together. I just part on one side, part on the other, and I think that Lily would like a piece. So would you like a piece? Okay, can you sit pretty? Oh, you are. So they're chopped, stored, stick them in the fridge, ready to go. It's that easy. Make sure you subscribe and like, come back and visit us again, and make sure and share your tips below. Take care.